Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily save Facebook images to your gallery. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments and subscribe to the channel. So friends, I'm going to show you how you can save images and also another interesting method in this video. So, when you open the Facebook app, like I have right now, and you find an image in order to save it, you need to open it up first. Then, at the top on the right side, you need to click on the three dots to go to a little menu like this. Next, you need to select Save Photo. So, as you can see, you'll get this at the bottom, and the photo will be saved. You can check this by opening the gallery on your phone, and as you can see, this photo has been saved. Also friends, another option that you can do with the photo, by the way, this function is only Facebook, and I find it very interesting and attractive. So you can copy the photo. To do that, you will also need to click on the three dots on the top right. Select the next function, which is Copy Photo. Now friends, you can, let's say, if you would like to add this photo to your post, you can choose to make a post. Now press and hold and select Paste. And as you can see, the photo will be inserted into your future post, and you'll be able to share it. The same thing, friends, work not only on Facebook itself. Let's say you can open any other messenger. Let's say I have Instagram. And here also in the message bar, click Hold, you'll get the same little menu. Select Insert. As you can see, the same image appears and you can easily send it. So friends, thanks to a feature like Copy Image, you don't have to save that image in question. If you, let's say, wanted to send it to someone, share it or post, let's say, a post with these images, you don't have to save the picture. You can just copy it. This way you will save memory on your phone. This is how you can save the image in Facebook app to your gallery, friends. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, don't forget to write a comment. Goodbye.